The ballista is a fascinating piece of ancient military technology, primarily used during siege warfare for launching large projectiles at enemies. It was invented by the Greeks and later adopted by the Romans, who refined and improved upon its design. The term ballista comes from the Greek word ballistes, meaning to throw, which accurately describes this weapon's function. The ballista resembles a giant crossbow, mounted on a stand. It uses tension to launch projectiles such as stones or darts. The mechanism involves twisting ropes made from animal sinew to generate enormous tension when the arms of the device are pulled back with a winch system. The ballista was incredibly effective in battle due to its precision and range. Capable of launching heavy bolts or stones up to 500 meters, it could penetrate enemy defenses with ease. Its size varied greatly. Smaller versions could be operated by 1 or 2 men, while larger ones required teams of soldiers. Despite their effectiveness in battle, building ballistae was an expensive and time-consuming process requiring skilled laborers and high-quality materials such as iron, wood, and sinew ropes. This made them less common than other simpler siege weapons like catapults or battering rams. The use of ballistae began to decline around the 6th century AD with advances in military technology such as trebuchets, which were more powerful and easier to build. However, their influence can still be seen today in modern artillery designs. In recent years, there has been renewed interest in ancient siege weapons like the ballista among historians and engineers alike who seek to better understand these remarkable devices through reconstruction projects using traditional methods. Even though they are no longer used on battlefields today, ballistae remain iconic symbols of ancient warfare, impressive reminders of human ingenuity in our continual quest for dominance over our adversaries.